Looking for a recipe that'll help create good memories around the dinner table? Today, Howard shows us how to make skillet chicken and veggies in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
According to the U.S. Census Bureau, there are more than 327 million people living in the U.S. And I'd be willing to bet that more than half of them don't have any idea what they're making for dinner tonight. Now, I don't expect 163 million people to head over to our website for today's recipe, but I hope you do. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's easy, budget-friendly, and tastes amazing. To start, all we do is combine some water with an envelope of onion soup mix, some vegetable oil, a little lime juice, a bit of ground red pepper, Italian seasoning, and a good amount of garlic powder. Once it comes to a boil, we stir in some boneless, skinless chicken breasts that we cut into half-inch strips. Now, we let this simmer for a few minutes, then we toss in a package of frozen mixed vegetables. At this point, all we need is a few more minutes for the chicken to cook through and the veggies to heat up. Then it's done. And don't forget to throw on a pot of rice to serve this over so you don't lose any of that flavorful onion sauce. If you didn't know what you're having for dinner tonight, well, now you do. To get the recipe for our skillet chicken and veggies, just visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a winter dinner way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.